Check out this Sony MZ-R2, an old classic SP-only player from 1993. It's hefty and solid with a slick sliding cover on top. It has a very satisfying feel and click to it. Read error was showing on the screen and it couldn't play any discs, so after cleaning, I needed a remote to get into the service menu. I didn't have the original, and my other Sony remotes weren't working to send a stop signal to this R2. Luckily, this one from my MZ NH1 did. What are the odds that the newest remote would work with the oldest player? So let's get into the menu. Set the hold switch, hold stop on the remote, hold stop and play at the same time on the device, and then connect power. And we're in. We'll navigate using plus and minus to jump to sections and play to enter them. Here, we're going to section 26, the focus bias for MO Media. The default was 7A, but I moved up to 90 to get it working. Press pause to save it. Then disconnect power to go back to normal. Then we can test. I don't have the battery, so I'll have to test with a power supply. Looks good. Since I have some CD MDs, which are the pressed media, I wanted to adjust the CD focus bias since it wasn't reading those discs either. Let's get back into the service menu, activate hold, stop on the remote, stop and play on the device, and then connect power. This time, we'll navigate to 23 for CD focus bias. The default value was 80. I moved it to 88 to get it working. Make your adjustment and press pause to save. Disconnect power to reset, and then we can test a CD MD. And there you have it. Both types of MDs are now working. This 30-year-old device is still going strong.